So classical mathematics, it was all about identifying the single unknown or analyzing the single unknown. So in classical algebra, the focus is on isolation. You have one scale, one balance, and one missing weight. So in classical mathematics, in classical algebra, what we used to do is we used to solve, like we used to perform step by step arithmetic to isolate x and get the value of x. Now the scope is very limited. The scope is like small scale, human solvable problems. Like we can solve problems like if I have $10 and apple cost $2, how many apples can I buy? So such problems can be solved using classical algebra, using equations. Now the limitation is it cannot handle complexity. If you have 50 variables affecting a single outcome, writing 50 separate equations is inefficient and brittle. So, if we talk about the classical mathematics mindset, the idea, the philosophy is to find the value.